I'm sorry, but sometimes this guy wants to do collaborations on POVs. So today you'll be in
doing
one.
Yeah.
Last time you were in one was Forza.
Yeah, and this time is Loke at Liseberg.
Yeah. No, I must score music today.
No, I must score.
But
still an Intamin gyro swing.
it's still a fantastic flat ride.
Sure.
Exactly.
Wow.
It is so powerful. We are just getting started. Because I'm not sure how long I'm gonna be able to hold the camera. It's already getting heavy. It's such a fantastic ride. That's top. You can keep me in there for like, I don't know, 10 minutes. Oh my god, the camera is so heavy. I'm actually struggling holding up the camera. I'm not kidding. I hope you can see anything. It's getting dark. I think we're by slowing this down, we are giving one ride in Hisingen.
Yeah,
I think it is. Before it was so expensive.
But for start the ride, we have to close every other rides down.
Exactly.
Just to start it.
Yeah, Per Christian is in the POV again.
Oh yeah,
It's his 4th point today.
Viva la tusenfrun.